This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Like, where can
Okay.
I change? Did you get that?
Yeah, it's okay now.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so last session we have discussed the sorter transformation, and today we will be discussing the rank transformation, another simple transformation. So basically, as we know, there are two types of transformations. One is active transformation and one is passive transformation. So rank transformation is an active transformation. So that means it has an ability to change the number of records, Okay, so what exactly mean by rank transformation? So whenever we are doing an SQL query equivalent of rank, so we can fetch the data by assigning some ranks to the records. Means suppose there are altogether 10 records. If there are 10 records in source table, so we can assign like rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, something like this for all the 10 records. Like the last one will be rank 10, right? I can assign these ranks and I can fetch top 3 ranks, right? I can fetch top 3 ranks or bottom 3 ranks or bottom 5 ranks, whatever it is. Like it's all about our requirement again. Condition and getting top or bottom records are all based upon the requirement again. So if we assign ranks to transformations, if we assign ranks to transformation, if we assign rank to data, then we can get top 1 rank, top 2 ranks, or top 1 rank, also top rank, first record, top 2, top 3, multiple records also we can get. And also in the same way, bottom records also we can get, right? So this is how rank transformation will work in Oracle as well as equivalent transformation. So for that, we need to have obviously a source, and we need to have a target, the similar structure with EMP rank. And what I'll do is I will get top 5 ranked employees, based upon which column. So how are you going to give the rank? Whenever we are going to give the rank, right, we will assign a rank based upon one particular column value, right? Suppose if I'm giving highest salaried employee as rank 1, okay? If I am giving highest salaried employees as rank 1, then whoever having a topmost salary, then he will be having a rank 1. Next person, second highest, will have rank 2, like that, right? That means here salary, right? I'm assigning a rank based upon the salary, right? Here salary will become rank port. Port means column name. Okay, so salary is used here as a rank port. That means on which column, based upon which column you are giving the rank, that column will be called as a rank port. Got it? So that we need to give in transformation. Once you select the rank port, then we need to tell whether you wanted to get top 5 records or bottom 5 records, top 3 records, bottom 3 records, something like that, right? So that is how the rank transformation is used in this transformation, in this Informatica transformation. So how are we going to do this one? So basically, see here, if there are 15 records altogether, in the source, right? Okay, so this is all the columns that we have, right? The source. So you can choose on which column you wanted to give a rank. Maybe uh, maybe if suppose if at all the employee number is highest, then you wanted to give rank. If you want the salary as highest, then you want give rank, something like that. Okay, so I will be creating a table replica to this emp table, and I will be giving that name as emp underscore rank. So how can I create a table? Create table, create table emp underscore rank as select star from emp, where 1 is equals to 2, right? Okay, now I have created select star from emp, sorry, select star from emp underscore rank. So when you see here, you won't be having any data. Just table structure has been created here. Okay, now let's see this equivalent in Informatica, how to configure and everything. So for that, I need to go to the designer, right? Right click, connect. Okay, give the password. So we were working on 730 batch 730, right? So this is my batch, connect or open. Okay, go to source, and I'll be using the same source. Go to target, and I'll be creating a new target structure here. So you can just use this source for creating a target. Okay, and double click this transformation. Sorry, double click this target and rename it as emp underscore rank. Okay, this will become my target. Okay, this is my source, this is my target. And go to mapping designer, go to mappings, click on create. Okay, and give the name, mapping name m underscore rank. Drag my source and drag my target. This is my target. Okay, so this is my source and this is my target. Right, and create a transformation now. Right, go to how to create a transformation. Go to transformations tab, click on create, select rank transformation. Okay, among all these transformations, select rank transformation and give any name here. Create, done. All right, so see, this is a rank index. I'll tell you what is a rank index. Whenever we create a rank transformation, right? A rank index port has been created automatically. We are not creating anything. Whenever we created a transformation, a rank index port has been created automatically. Why this has been used, I'll tell you now. Before that, just select all the columns, drag and drop into the rank transformation, and okay. So I have did a small mistake here. So are you there? I mean, are you following already? I mean, I will tell you like what mistake I have done. Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So whenever we created a rank transformation, right? Here the rank index port is automatically created. To create this rank index target, actually I need to create an additional column for the
Yeah.
target.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so I have missed that one. So we need to do that one. So for that I cannot use EMP as a structure. Okay,
Yeah.
EMP as a structure. So what I'll do is I will just create the table manually with an additional port
Rank
rank.
index. Yep.
Exactly. So EMP underscore rank is my target table name, and I have this structure already created along in the starting of our training.
Mm.
So rank index, or yeah, rank index or anything. You can give any name. That's not a problem. But it should be number data type. Number maybe 10 comma 0. Okay. So this is my new target for rank, and I'll be creating this one, new target table. Used by already used by existing object. Okay.
Yeah, that table
Then
name is same. Rank, employee rank. So
exactly. Yeah, we need to drop it first. Yeah.
yeah.
So drop table underscore rank. All right. Now I can create. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Table has been created, and we can just check again if there is any data by mistake. Okay, so how we can modify the table which is already created in the target here, right? Just go to target designer. We can only see if you click here, right? If you click here, you cannot edit the ports here for adding the rank index column. We cannot edit anything here. If you wanted to edit in the rank transformation, right? You need to go to target designer only. Go to target designer, double click this target, double click this target, go to columns. Okay, add a column and give the name as rank index. Okay, rank underscore index. Is this the same column name? Column name should be same, otherwise it will fail.
Everything is small.
rank and rank No, we don't have any underscore, so the small and big is fine.
Mm-hmm.
Rank index. Okay, so it should be a number data type, not varchar, like this. All right. Okay, so but okay, the order of the column is also fine, but to be in an uniform fashion, like I will move this column to top. How to move the columns from top to bottom is like select this column and give this arrow button. Okay, it will go up. If you wanted to move, give this move down, you can click on this arrow button, it will come down. Simple, just movement of the columns, any column, not only this. Apply. Okay, right? So this is my new target. Whenever you save this target table, it will automatically reflect in a mapping designer. Saving, Control S, it will save and go to the mapping designer. So automatically this column will be created. See here, it got reflected here. Right now you can connect all these columns to target happily. Now, so did I configure the rank transformation? Not yet, right? So to configure the double click this rank transformation, go to ports, right? So uh, yeah, so this here whatever column you wanted to give rank, select that column. So by default it is taking the first column. If you are not giving any rank, right, rank port, right, by default it will take the first column. Okay, we have not given anything, but default it took first column. But I wanted to give on salary column, highest salary employees rank 1, right? So that's why I will be giving the rank port to here, salary column. Automatically this will disappear here in the employee number and it will apply here. We can give only single rank port at a time, right? We can give rank port at a time, that's it. Okay, so go to properties. Properties tab, we can select here how many ranks you wanted to select in the target, number of ranks. Okay, 1 2 3, how many ranks you, if you want, you can do, you can select here, you can type here, give 3 ranks. So whether you wanted to get top ranks or bottom ranks, click here, it will get a drop down option. You can select whether you wanted to get the top or whether you wanted to get the bottom, right? Like this you can select. If you want bottom 3, select bottom. If you want to get top 3 ranked employees, then select top. All right, and we have one more option here, group by, right? So group by on, we can also get the grouped data in the rank transformation. That means suppose here I'm selecting the data, select star from EMP. Okay, select star from EMP. So I'm getting 15 records. Okay, so few records are from 10th department data, few records are from 20th department data, few records are from 30th department, right? I can also select the rank transformation, like who is the topmost salaried employee in 10th department, who is the topmost salaried employee in 20th department, who is the topmost salaried employee in the 30th department. Like that also I can pull the data. For that, group by clauses used over there. Got it? So that's why if you do on a department number as a group by, right, then it will do top, what it will do is top 3 salaried employees department wise it will get. Okay, if you don't want to get in a group by, you can ignore this checkbox also. Apply. Okay, simple configuration. Go to repository and save it. Any doubts? Any doubts till now?
No.
So this is all about rank transformation. The only options you can do is here, whatever is available here in the ports, in the properties, only those you can use, and that's all about the transformation. So you won't have much information in these simple transformations. Okay, now go to the workflow manager, create a session and a workflow. Creation of a session and a workflow is a daily routine process, every day same process, same connection, and it is simple. So you will be, by the time you, now I think you would have habituated. So I'll just create it quickly. Okay, right click, connect. Okay. Okay, so click on this batch. 730. Okay, it's taking some time. So before that, I'll open monitor also. Okay. So go to task developer and create a new task. Okay, if anything is there, just clear everything and go to tasks, click on create and give name s underscore mapping name. Click on create, click on rank transformation, click on OK. Okay, now give the connection information. So go to mapping tab and select source. Select the source. Okay, give the connection name. So for my project, this is my connection name. For your project, it may be different. For your PC. Play. Okay, right. So this is my session. You can save it. Right. And go to workflow designer and create a workflow. Go to workflows tab, click on create. WF underscore S underscore M underscore rank. Okay. Click on OK. Okay, just drag the session and drop it here. Click on link task. Okay, just save this one now. Right. So this is all about configuring a session and a workflow. So before running the workflow, I will connect it to monitor so that it is clearly visible, like how it is running and when it got succeeded, all this information. So this is a best practice. First connect to monitor before running the workflow. Okay, I click and connect it. It's a bit slow today. Okay, so now run the workflow. So we already checked before running the workflow. There is no data in the target. That is target means emp underscore rank. There is no data here. Before running the workflow, just run the workflow now. Go to workflows and start workflow, and we can see how this session is started and running. Okay, it is running and it got succeeded. Okay, and to see how many records got loaded, right click on this session and get run properties. Okay, and you will able to see source and target statistics here. So 15 records are fetched from source, but only 3 records got loaded into the target. Why? Because we have given a property as top 3 records in properties tab, right? We have given number of ranks as 3 and top. So see the data now. Is the top 3 salary employed came or bottom 3 came? The target now. So only top 3 salaried employees came, and the rank index is used for giving the ranks 1, 2, 3. So this is how we can differentiate the record rank. And 5,000 is the highest salary, and 3,500 and 3,100. So this is how it has been designed. Okay, shall I go to other transformation?
Yeah.
Okay. So next transformation is, so I wanted to pick the simplest one, as this is the very small. Mm, I don't have any simplest one. Okay, that's fine. I'll go with an expression transformation. Okay, expression transformation. Expression transformation. So first, basically, this is it is a passive transformation. The very first transformation we are talking about, passive transformation, is expression transformation. Now, okay, it is a passive transformation. It is used to apply various functions. It is used to apply various functions and uh, and business logics. Okay, it is used to apply various functions and business logics. Okay, which are available in Oracle. Okay, it has like around 50 plus functions, whatever present in Oracle, right? Even Informatica has all those functions in expression transformation, like ltrim, rtrim, concat, okay, lpad, rpad, length function, okay, is null function, okay, to date function. These are all lots of functions we are available in Oracle, right? So all these functions are available in Informatica also, but under expression transformation. Okay, length function like ceiling, floor. Oh, we have multiple functions. I don't know if you have a basics of SQL, but these are all the functions available in Oracle, right? So all these are available in Informatica as well in expression. So as this will modify the data, but this won't be filtering out the data. Or whenever you are applying this function, it will just modify the data but won't filter out the data. Hence, it is called as a passive transformation. Okay. So what I'll do is I will just apply one small one small logic called rpad, not rpad, lpad. LPAD to employee number to EMP number, yeah, to EMP number, and I will make it like maybe the length of the employee number is let me check here. The length of the employee number here is 1234, but how about the definition that we have given? Employee number 10, right? Okay, so I will be doing some rpad to this employee number, and I will append some zeros to here. Okay, so what is my requirement is, so till now we have like we have an employee number like this, like 1 2 4 5, like 4 5 6, something like this. What I will do is I will pad 3 zeros, and I will make each employee number as something like 0 sorry 0007893 and 0001245 and 0004782, something like this. I will change this type of employee number to this type using LPAD function in expression transformation. Clear my requirement? Okay, so we will see once it is applied in SQL level how it will change and how we can do same in expression. We will see. Okay, select star from EMP. Okay, so we have not star, maybe employee number. Okay, employee number from EMP. So we have 15 records, and the 15 records has this particular employee number. Now if I do just LPAD of employee number comma 3 comma 0 or 0 comma 3, I'm not sure exactly. Let's see how it goes. Okay, if I do like this, okay, maybe this is the, I'm padding 3 zeros. What is happening? From 3 it is doing 3 0. From 3 third record it is doing zeros, huh? Employee number. First of all, what is the data here? This is the data. What is LPAD function here? Okay, this is the data, right? Just I'll take the sample data. Okay, so okay, what I'll do is LPAD of EMP number. Okay, and what I'll do is I wanted to start from 0 to 3 and pad 0. Maybe this is the function. Let me check. Too many arguments. Okay, and make it as okay. And now I understood. Maybe 4, right? 4 means is 7. Okay. Mm, 7 comma 0. I totally forgot about LPAD function. That's why. Let me recollect. Okay, so what I'm doing here, what I'm doing is, this is an existing employee number, right? This is an existing employee number. I wanted to make this employee number as a 7 digits. Okay, so on which column you wanted to apply LPAD, give that column name. and how many digits you wanted to make it. Previously it is 4, right? And how many digits you want to make it? I wanted to make it as 7. And what you wanted to add it to the left side of this employee number? 0. That is what the logic here. LPAD means padding zeros to employee number to the left side. Okay, this is my original data, and if I'm adding 3 zeros here, it is becoming 7. I wanted to make my employee number 7 characters and 7 numbers, and I wanted to add only zeros before that. This is how we will write in SQL. Clear till here? You are clear, like Oracle equivalent LPAD, right? It's very simple.
Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I'm clear.
Oh, I think I'm speaking on mute. Sorry, till now. I'm creating an EMP underscore expression table similar to EMP. Okay, so this will be my new target table now. So this is source is same, target I will just clear, and I will uh, create a new target. All right, rename EMP underscore expression. Okay, just change the name, everything is same, right? Okay, so I have a source and I have a target. Go to mapping designer, go to mappings, click on create. These are all small transformations, so I'm going a little bit faster. Okay, expression, click on OK. For 15 minutes is there for my battery. So this is my source EMP, and this is my rank target, right? Fine. So now I have a source and I have a target. Now create a transformation, rank transformation. Go to transformations tab, click on create, select rank transformation. Sorry, not rank, expression transformation.
Oh, sorry, I'm on mute. Expression.
Yeah, expression transformation. Okay, so this is the transformation. We don't have any new columns created when we create an expression transformation, unlike rank transformation. So we are good. Just select all the columns and drag to expression, and from all the columns from expression to target. Now see what all present in expression transformation. Double click this transformation. So go to ports. Okay, so these are all common columns. These are all data type, precision, input, output, variable. So this is very important for expression transformation. Till now we have not discussed about I, O and V, right? I means input column, O means output column, V means variable column. So whenever a column comes from source, it will become an input. Okay, whenever a column goes from this transformation, it will be an output. If a column is coming from source and going out, then it will become an input and output column. So that's why for all the columns here, I and O has been checked. Okay, then what is V here? V is used whenever you apply some business rules, logics, functions, whatever it is present here in the expression. Means kind of variable. You will be doing some manipulation in this column, and then you can make that column as an output in the next line. How are we going to do here in employee number case? I'm going to apply this one, like doing an LPAD function here, right? Simply add a new column here, okay, and give the column as EMP underscore output. If you wanted to manipulate any column, Okay, just create an column name and write logic here and give this as an output. If you wanted to pass as it is how source is coming, then this is simple. But if you wanted to apply some rules, then create another port here and do some logic changes here. It should be of same data type. So change it to decimal. And is it coming from input? No. So uncheck this I. Automatically an expression will be seen here with the column name. Okay. So whenever you uncheck some input put here, means it is not coming from source. Whenever it is not coming from source means, whenever it is not coming from source means you are creating it. So we need to tell to Informatica why are you creating it. That's why it is asking here. It is expression is enabled here. Clear till here? Okay. Click on this arrow. Click on this arrow and tell why is this created. Right? Functions, as I told you, all functions here under this all functions will have all the functions equivalent to SQL functions. You can use any function based upon the requirement. Ports means column names. Variables we'll discuss later. I wanted to use lpad function here. I wanted to use lpad function here. This is my lpad function. All right. If you click here, it will also show the syntax here for some small help. If you are confused or if you wanted any help, you can see the syntax also. All right. So it is the function. So what is the syntax here? In the lpad, go to ports. It is telling character 1 as expression, n as numeric, character 2 as expression. Okay. So this is my column name. I wanted to add 7 and I wanted to give the number like this. So I wanted to make my employee number as a 7 digits by padding zeros in front of it. This is my logic. Okay, I'm using this ports here employee number. Why? Because to avoid some spelling mistakes or something, I am using of this ports tab. Go to functions. Okay, lpad. Okay, so here it will give some syntax help. Based upon that, you can write the logic and go. After writing this one, click on validate. It will show us expression passed successfully. Then only this expression is valid. All right. Other than this lpad, we have lot of functions here. You can do some research on all these functions whenever you are free. That's it. Click on OK. But click on apply. Click on OK. Here, I already connected my employee number here. Right. I already connected my employee number from source to here. Then how this output will pass to this employee number? So we should not connect this employee number to target. It is just an input column now. After receiving from source, I am manipulating here. So connect this column to this column. Okay. And it is taking an input from source. I am manipulating here and I am connecting this one to target. Clear? Now this, whatever the operation you are doing here, it will load into the employee number in the target. Clear? Now check the ports again. This will become only input port. Okay, and you check this is fine. You can remove that is fine. Input port, and this will be an output port by some function. Clear? Okay, save this mapping. That's it. This is one of the example for expression. You can implement multiple functions, multiple logics, everything in the expression transformation. My mapping is a valid. Clear? Any doubts?
So my question is, so we are doing the input and the output, the connecting right manually, right? So
Uh-huh.
if you want, like, if a table
Yes.
contains like multiple, like multiple number of columns, and if you want to work on a big data table, so how can we do this all multiple, right? Like what I mean is when we are connecting, just when we are changing the connection from input port and modifying, then we are connecting
Mhm.
that to the target. So when we are like changing that connection, so automatically it cannot be changed the check marks in the input and the output. So we are doing
No,
manually,
no,
right?
that
After
won't
that.
be. We are
Yeah.
doing manually, exactly. We are doing manually, and we should do it manually. Why? Because that is what we need to do in Informatica.
Okay.
Like that is what we need to develop. That is what we need to apply. Okay, this is a tool. Like based upon your requirement, you need to check, uncheck, remove, add. So all
Mhm.
things we need to do based upon our
So,
requirement. It won't
okay.
do any things automatically.
Mhm.
Tool is giving only few things automatically, which helps us. But if you wanted to do something more than that, then everything is a manual operation here.
Okay, so like
Okay,
my like
and
the question is in real time, so there won't be that much enough of like big data to change data.
so I got confused here when you tell the word as big data. Big data means you are telling about big data volume or column names.
The
What are you
column name,
speaking about here?
like column names. If
Column
there
names.
is
So
like a table
multiple
containing like
column names you mean
multiple
to say.
columns, yeah.
Okay, okay. So suppose here I am doing LPAD for employee number. Okay,
Hmm.
and some person or another requirement we are having to calculate some commission values or to do some manipulation for salary. Maybe they wanted to put some 0.00 value. Maybe today the salary is coming as 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 7,000, like that, but someone wants it in a floating point numbers, means 3,000.00, 5,000.00, something in that format. Then you need to go and you need to add a column here again, and you need to write the logic there, and you need to do an output port, input port, everything same how I did for employee number. That is again a manual process.
So we can try
Okay, if
multiple, right?
someone wanted to,
Hmm.
yeah, we can do any number of things. Not even the column, the code for this existing columns. If you wanted to create any new columns also,
Hmm.
other than this, you can directly create a column as an output port, something like this. Add, okay, add, and here I wanted to put some date column, okay, and give the data type, operator data type. These are very, very important in Informatica. It should be appropriate data types. Okay,